Okay class, now we are at worksheet 9C. Worksheet 9C. Okay, but for this worksheet, right, many of the examples are actually covered in ACE Learning. Okay, you're supposed to do it as a holiday assignment, September holiday assignment. Go through ACE Learning, follow the instructions as follows. Okay, follow the instruction. For example, click on 3D Solids to view it on your own. Alright, because through ACE Learning, you can maneuver the solids and see the different sides of the solids, the 3D figures. Alright, so at the end of the chapter, at the end of this topic 9C, you are supposed to describe a pyramid and its parts, visualize the nets of various types of pyramid, state the formulae for finding the volume and surface area of a pyramid, find volume and surface area of pyramids, solve problems involving volume and surface area of pyramids. So basically 9C, we are talking about pyramids. Okay, so I'll go through some of the pages that you are supposed to copy through ACE Learning. You're supposed to do through ACE Learning, but if it's difficult to understand, I'll try to explain further. Okay, so you're supposed to copy this. Okay, do you manage to get this? Okay, a pyramid is a solid where all the vertices of its polygonal base are connected to a point above its base. A point above its base. These are the points above the base. The points. Okay, so this is a triangular pyramid, a square pyramid, a rectangular pyramid. Okay, fill in the blank. Triangular pyramid at the base, square base, rectangular base. Alright, all these are under ACE Learning, so it is supposed to be your assignment. So let's check whether you fill up correctly. Through this holiday assignment, did you manage to fill up apex, the highest point, the height, the slant edge, the slant height? Take note, the slant height is actually perpendicular to this side. Okay, the height is perpendicular to the base. Clear? Okay, if you need more time to copy, pause the video. If not, let's move on. Through ACE Learning, you also learn the relationship between a pyramid and a cube or cuboid. So a pyramid is this size, a cuboid is this size. You are to play the video clip, you can key in this tiny URL, and you can see that this cuboid is actually 3 times of pyramid. So from this video clip, you realize that the volume of 3 pyramids will be equal to volume of 1 cuboid. So 1 pyramid will be equals to, okay, they forgot the equal sign. So volume of a pyramid is 1/3 of volume of 1 cuboid. So just add an equal sign here. So let's recap the formula of a cuboid. Is basically the base area multiplied by the height. Base area times height. So from the previous formula, if volume of pyramid is 1/3 times volume of a cuboid, so I just replace this here. Okay, volume of pyramid will be therefore 1/3 times base area times height. Okay, I replace the volume of 1 cuboid by base area of times height. So volume of pyramid is therefore 1/3 times base area times height. Okay, if you're confused, this is volume of 1 cuboid. Okay, volume of 1 cuboid. Clear? So class example, let's try class example. We were told to find the volume of the triangular pyramid. A triangular pyramid has a base of 36 cm square. Okay, so they let us know they told us the base area and a height of 7 cm. So using the formula, volume of triangular pyramid is therefore equals to 1/3 times base area times height equals to 1/3 multiplied by base area. They give me 36, height they give me 7. Calculate is exactly 84 cm cubed because we are talking about volume. Okay, you're supposed to do this. Class example. Okay, once you are done, you can look through. Through ACE Learning, they also show you the different example 1.1 and 1.2, nets of pyramid. And all of these questions you should try first before looking at the solution. Okay. Okay, what I meant is this. Okay, as long as you see ACE Learning example 1.1, the solutions are actually online. You're supposed to try on your own first, then you look at the solution as a holiday assignment. But for those who didn't, you can take a look at this. Find the volume of the following triangular pyramid. Base area, this is the base area, right? Because it's the base. I want to find the base area. Oh, you see this triangle over here, the height is 15, the bottom, the base is 10 cm. I withdraw it here. I withdrew it here. So it's half times base times height. Sorry, half times height times base. I get 75. So the triangular base area is here. Volume of the entire pyramid. Remember the formula 1/3 times base area times height. So I just apply, I get 450. Okay, next. The next class practice is slightly more challenging. The volume of the following pentagonal pyramid is 770 cm cubed. Given that the area of the pentagonal base is 154 cm square, find its height. So this is a reverse type of question. Okay, they give me the volume. They want me to find the height. Okay, they want me to find the height. So, for simplicity's sake, I let the height be h. Base area given to me is 154. I just write down in case I forget. I apply the formula, volume equals to 1/3 times base area times height. Even if I'm stuck, I look at the formula, I know I just have to substitute in volume as 770, base area as 154. I look around, there's only one variable for me to solve. Okay, multiply these three up, I get this. 770 divided by this, I get h. So h is 15 cm. If you need more time, pause the video. As I said, this is supposed to be your holiday assignment. Okay, next. Total surface area of a pyramid. Total surface area of a pyramid. If a square pyramid, right, you open up the net, it will look like this. It will look like this. 4 similar triangles, exactly the same, and the bottom is a square. For pentagonal, 5 same triangles, and at the base is a pentagon. So straightforward, total surface area is simply the base area depending on whether is it a pentagon or is it a square. Okay, plus area of all the triangular faces. Area of all the triangular faces. Clear? All this can be found in the ACE Learning video clip. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, example 2.1 and 2.2. Again, if you didn't do, quickly spend this time to do the question. You can refer to the answer over here. Find the total surface area of the pyramid with a square base. So very quickly, find the area of the square base. 7 times 7, easy, 49. Area of each triangular face. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides of the triangle. Look at this, I open up. 4 triangles. Each of them is half times 7 times 12. Each triangle face area is 42. So I just use 4 times 42 plus 49, which is the square base. I will get 217 cm square. ACE Learning example 2.1. If I'm too boring, you can look at the video on ACE Learning. Okay. Class practice ACE Learning example 2.3. The video is also on ACE Learning. Find the total surface area of the pyramid. Rectangular base. So rectangular base, does it mean that all the triangles are the same? No, the triangles are different. So Mr. Liu label A, B, B. Triangle A, these two are the same. Triangle B's, these two are the same. Why are they different? Because the base is a rectangle. One of the side is 16, the other side is 12.5. So the triangle, these two must be the same. From the same side of the rectangle, this length of the rectangle, these two must be the same. The base will be these two sides of the rectangle. Okay, so let's find individually. Let's go and find, find area of base first. Area of base 16 times 12.5, the rectangle 16 times 12.5, straightforward. Okay, then area of each, that means one triangular face A. Face A, I'm talking about this face A. Half times 16. What is the height? Look here. 16.25, the height. Okay, earlier on we learned, sorry, let me bring you back. Earlier on we learned, we call this the slant height lah, which is we must be perpendicular to the base. Okay, so half times 16 times 16.25, you get 130. Area of one triangular face B. Half times 12.5 times 17, because the slant height, perpendicular one, perpendicular height is 17. So half times 12.5 times 17, I get 106.25 cm square. Okay, I have the rectangular base, I have triangle face A, triangle face B. I have 2 times of these, 2 times of that. So 200, the rectangular base, plus 2 times of face A, triangle face A, plus 2 times of triangle face B, I get 672.5 cm square. Did you manage to get that? Okay, so a reminder from this worksheet, if you have done it, the ACE Learning holiday assignment, you are supposed to do PMP and practice drills. Okay, let's move on. Okay, now spend some time to do this homework. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll go through in the next video.